Hello, everyone. Welcome to Speak English Easily, where we help you learn to speak confidently, clearly, and naturally. Let me ask you a question. Do you understand English when someone speaks? But when it's your turn to talk, your mind goes blank. You are not alone. This happens to many learners around the world. But today, I'm gonna explain why this happiness are more important, how you can fix it starting today. Why you understand but can't speak. Let's break it down. Number one, understanding and speaking are different skills. Just because you understand doesn't mean you can speak. Think about it. A people listens for months before they say their first words. That's normal. Listening is passive. Speaking is active. To speak, your brain, mouth, and memory must all work together. Number two, you are afraid of making mistakes. This is very common, you might think. What if I say something wrong? What if they laugh at me? This fear blocks your confidence. But here's the truth. Fluent speakers also make mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning, not failure. Number three, you all practice input, not output. You watch YouTube videos, read books, listen to podcasts. Great, but you don't speak. It's like watching people cook but never entering the kitchen. If you want to speak, you must actually speak. Number four, your brain translates fast. Many learners think in their native language, then try to translate to English that takes time and causes delays. We want to train your brain to think in English. I will show you how later in this video how to start speaking English. Now, let's talk about the solution. Here are six powerful ways to start speaking, no matter your level. Number one, speak out loud every day, even alone. Talk to yourself while doing daily tasks. For example, I'm brushing my teeth. I'm cooking rice. I feel tired today. It sounds simple, but it trains your mouth to move in English. Use a mirror, it builds confidence. Number two, shadowing technique. Find a video or podcast. Listen to a sentence. There will be immediately copy the speed, tone, and rhythm. Example, I'm going to the market. You repeat, I'm going to the market. Do this for 5 minutes a day. It will improve your fluency and accent. 3. Record yourself speaking. Pick a topic, talk for 1 minute, then listen. You will notice your strengths and areas to improve. Topics you can try: what I did today, my favorite food, my daily routine, what I want to learn. You'll be surprised how fast you improve. 4. Think in English. Just trying your point to say your English directly, not your native language. Start with small phrase. I'm tired. That's okay. Let's go. It's okay to be slow at first. You are programming your brain. 5. Use English in real conversations. Find a speaking partner online. Hello Talk, Facebook groups, Telegram English groups. It will help you talk to real people. Even 5 minutes of speaking is powerful. You can also talk to AI that helps you to improve your English. 6. Don't wait for perfect grammar. Speak with what you know. Even simple English is okay. Instead of, if I had known, I would have gone. Say, I didn't know, so I didn't go. Fluency is about communication, not perfection. Practice routine. Let me give you a simple daily plan you can follow. Daily 10-minute routine. 1 minute talk to yourself. Example about your day. 2 minutes shadow a short video. 2 minutes call and reply you speaking. 2 minutes think in English. Describe what you see around you. 20 minutes speak with a friend or language app. Just 10 minutes daily is equal big results in 30 days. So remember, if you understand English but can't speak, don't worry, it's not your fault. You just need to practice the right way. Start small, speak every day, be patient. Your confidence will grow. I promise. If you found this video helpful, click like, subscribe, and share with a friend who is learning English. Thanks for watching.